Hi, I'm Jennifer Taylor, master colorist and stylist at IGK Salon in Miami, and was part of developing these new at-home permanent color formulas. For best results when working with naturally curly and textured hair, it's recommended that you don't wash your hair for several days prior, as the natural oils help to protect the scalp and the curl pattern with finer textures. Also, be sure that your hair is free of any styling products so that you can have a clean canvas and your color can absorb evenly. If you have a lot of hair, you may need more than one color kit to fully saturate all of the hair. It's better to have a little more than you need than not enough during the application process. So we recommend planning ahead so that you're sure to have enough product on hand. Always start at the back of your head, applying color from the back to the front. Hair in the front sections and around the hairline is typically a finer texture than the hair in the back of your head. And since applying color from the back sections can take a bit longer, starting in the back sections will provide you the most even color result. Once you've completed the back 2 quadrants, apply color working from the crown to the hairline in sections. A plastic cap could be useful for processing coarser or more resistant textures.